Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to win more matches as Soldier 76 in Overwatch. Practice aiming with Soldier 76 primary weapon to consistently land shots on targets. Maintain high ground positions whenever possible to have better sightlines and avoid enemy fire. Aim helix rockets at enemies' feet for maximum splash damage, especially against clustered foes. Drop biotic field strategically to support your team and sustain yourself during engagements. Control your firing burst to maintain accuracy and manage recoil over longer distances. Focus on squishy targets like supports and DPS heroes to quickly eliminate them. Keep an eye on flanking routes and listen for footsteps to anticipate flankers like Genji or Tracer. Time Tactical Visor to capitalize on key moments, such as during team fights or to counter enemy ultimates. Work closely with tanks to create space and protect your backline while maintaining pressure. Understand map layout to use cover effectively and find advantageous positions. Track enemy ultimates to know when to save or to use Tactical Visor for maximum impact. Engage with your team rather than going solo to maximize your impact and survivability. Call out low health targets and enemy positions to coordinate with your team effectively. Use biotic field and health packs to sustain yourself between team fights or when healers are occupied. Retreat and reposition when outnumbered or out of position to avoid feeding enemies. Coordinate helix rockets with teammates' abilities for devastating combos. Adjust your playstyle based on the enemy's team composition and their strengths. Use helix rockets or tactical visor to eliminate enemy snipers like Widowmaker or Hanzo. And that's how to win more matches as Soldier 76 in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!